today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Fascine Tracker app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go up of this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to Expedia. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on start end reminder here. You come to next step. You come here to start fasting reminder. Just clicking this sign or this color, like you see color it's gone. As mean here start fasting reminder disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.